Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my new English video. In this video, I'm going to tell you that how to make the vocabulary part in your brain, how to remember the vocabularies, because vocabularies play a major role and significant role to boost your career, to make your sentences correctly. So I have a book that I'm going to show you. This is a book, a black book of English vocabulary. I have been reading this book before 10 days and I was working over my vocabulary. Even I was making so many alphabetically order vocabulary that how can you remember and how can you understand. So I brought this video for you because of this reason, that you can understand the vocabulary part, you can remember the skills to make the part of your life. Because if you are not going to score anything, if you are not going to do anything in order to speak, in order to understand the language, in order to understand the person, you need to remember, you need to understand the vocabulary part. So I have brought this video for you, and today I'm going to teach you some meanings of it, that they have written something like the scam means धोखाधड़ी. So a dishonest scheme or fraud as a verb to a swindle. Scam means that the government is planning to dissolve the scam. It means like it somebody is giving fraud to you, they have become dishonest with you. Second, the scandalized, shocked or horrified by something considered immoral or improper. It means like somebody is improper for you. They are not showing any honesty towards you. They are scandalized. Scared means you are horrified, you are fearful, you are frightened. Like I went to the zoo, I was frightened, I was scared. Scowl, an angry or bad temper expression, that I was scowled feeling, I was scowled person, I was a bad temper expression, like I was a bad temper person in front of those people, that they are ill tempered towards me. Scorn means very tiny and very unbony, like they have the skeleton, but it is just in a lean way. Okay. Scream means to cry, to make a very loud, high pitched sound. It means like you are crying in front of the people, like Jamidar, that you have taken the loan from them, you have taken a loan of 1 lakh rupees and you are unable to pay the payment, the EMI. You have taken the loan from the bank and you are unable to pay the EMI. So you are screaming in front of the manager. Scrutinize means like you are making examination, like in your college, the teacher came to scrutinize your mistake, to scrutinize your uh, that you have done something bad. Seeking means attempting to find something, like you are seeking to do something else in your life. Selection, you know everyone, that you have selected for a college, you have selected for NDA job. Self-esteem, confidence, that you need to bring the self way. You can bring the book in front of your lap and just read it and make the videos out of it. It will channelize your brain, it will make those confident builder program in your mind, that I have made a video of how to boost your career, how to make the confidence. So how to bring the confidence is read the vocabulary part every day. Don't be a shy that somebody is watching me, that you are trying to speak, you are trying to teach us from the book. So what else, from where I will teach you? There are a lot of books. Read them aloud at home, make a job for you. If I am reading the book, if I'm reading, so I'm explaining something for your better, that I brought this uh, video for you. So the next word is sentiment, a view of attitude towards a situation or opinion, that you're feeling something, you have a sentiment towards your parent, that they have done something else for you. They are doing the hard work, after hard work they want to do something else in their life, but they left it because of you, because they have the sentiment towards you. So even you should bring the sentiments for your family also. Understand the word sentiment. The serve means that you need to do something performance, do something service for the society. You are serving for the society, you are a servant of the society, you are the servant of your family, you are the servant of your boss. So it means you are serving the duty anywhere, everywhere you are doing the duty. If you are not cutting the tree, it means you're serving the nature. If you are speaking in English, you are serving to the person. If I am teaching you, I am serving my duty for you. So serving, understand that. Same is pretend, that you are claimed to be fraud. I am feeling Sam, it's not same. SHEME, it's not same. It is SHAM. It means you are showing the fraud thing in front of anyone else. I am Sam. I'm not same. I am Sam. Sam means I'm fraud. Shapeless. You don't have any shape. Shapeless means you don't have any shape, lacking or clear definition or a structure. You, if you feel something in your life that I am shapeless people, I have not shaped my mind, I have not shaped my career, it means your mind is shapeless. The next word I'm going to talk about, like smudge. Smudge means making a smear or a blurred picture. You are smur. You are making smur picture. You have made a smur painting. It means unclear, dazzled. Soar. Soar means fly in the air. You can make the sentences of soar like my clothes have soared. My clothes have soared in the air when I dried them on the wall, but despite it, they have soared because of air. Means to make higher. Like Modi government has spiked the price of cylinder. Modi government has spiked every stationary item. The petroleum, the gas, the refinery, everything is going to be spike. Spike means to make higher. Spill. You were serving the milk, you spilled in front of the family, in front of the relatives. It means that you fall down something. Splendid, magnificent, very impressive. Oh, somebody say you have done splendid job in your life. You are magnificent. Spontaneous, something happen in a sudden. You are doing something spontaneously every day. You are speaking spontaneously every day. Spunky. Spunky means courageous people, the determined people. I am spunky. I am determined. I am courageous. So need to become a courageous people in your life. Why did I bring those interview skills? Why did I bring those vocabulary part for you? Because these are the interview skills for you. You have to remember these in front of the interview panelists. Even they can ask you if you are going to do anything like a CGL, SSC examinations. There, it will work for you. So even I am making this video only for those students that they want to learn. Even I am making the video that of the SSC student, the CGL students of the competitive exams you are performing. So last 5 to 6 word that I am going to tell you: abundant, available in a large quantity. I have abundant amount of knowledge in. I have abundant amount of thing in my life. I want to do something else. Timid, lacking of courage, lacking of frightened. You are frightened. It means timid, darpok. Abandon, that you left something. Why have you abandoned the house? Why have you abandoned your knowledge to perform the duty towards your society? Why have you do something else that is drastically changing your life to leave someone else in between? Barren, too poor to produce much or any vegetation. This land is barren. This woman is barren. Even you can connect this sentence to the lady that they have not given the birth to any kind of boy or girl, any kind of child. Okay, so they are becoming a barren lady. Dubious, hesitating or doubting. Dubious, this person is dubious. The spelling is Dubious. Understand that? Feeble, I am feeble person. Very physically, mentally lacking. I am ill, it means I am feeble. My knowledge is feeble. I am so ill treated by the person because I am feeble. Absurd, unreasonable, illogical, widely. It means I am very absurd people. I'm like a cannibal. I'm animal. I'm not behaving properly with the person. So because you can speak towards them, you can speak about them, you are absurd people. Baffled, surprised. I'm baffled to see the success of these people. I'm baffled to watch the movie. I'm baffled to watch Hindi movie. Baffled means that I was watching the another part, it makes the another part. So I'm baffled. I'm amazed. Diligent, very hardworking person. I'm performing my duty. It means it's a diligent. So understand those skills that I was making the videos without speaking. But today I was some sentences in order to perform the duties, in order to understand that you can sit at home and don't feel embarrassment that I was teaching through some books. No, man, it doesn't help those people that they are not performing. It will help you if you are watching anything, if you are performing your duties, if you are learning something. It is helping you. It has become a helping hand for you. Understand that these kind of skills, these kind of videos are making by some little person that they are performing themselves. So you watch my video till the end.